Hey there, it's Mike Shunky with Berkshire Hathaway Homes and Shift Home Properties in Scottsdale. Just here for our Friday morning live real estate market chat. It's been a busy week. It's been crazy, which is good. I'll take it. What do we have going on? Report came out. Arizona is one of the top 5 states for population growth. Understandably, it's supposed to be 75 and sunny today. We've got a lot of family in the Northeast, and I feel for them. We're trying to get them out here, so it's going to be real cold there. Anyway, there's 13,500 single-family homes available for sale in MLS listings. That's 9,800 in Maricopa County. It's the country's largest county. And still only 1,143 single-family homes available for sale in Scottsdale. You might want to know that's out of 145,000 households. So that's inventory super low, super low. Contract ratios we like to look at. That is the number of houses under contract versus number of houses for sale. It's the highest since June of 2019. And we always say kind of ignore the last 2 years. They were crazy. But houses that are priced correctly are selling quickly. Let's see. The Northeast Valley is a little bit higher than normal. Like we always say, the more desirable areas hold their value. And yeah, so it's busy. People are here. You know, it's a busy time of season. Another report came out. 75% of house purchases or of houses are owner-occupied. That's about normal historically. The last 2 years, you know, we were seeing the low 60%. A lot of investors came in and were buying things, but they've slowed down. You know, they've with interest rates jumping up. You know, it's always risk versus reward when you're doing investing. You want to get a higher interest rate. Now you can go out and buy a U.S. Treasury bond over 4%. So it's pretty much a risk-free investment historically. Let's see. So if you're waiting for prices to come down, we've got, it's not going to happen. We've got declining inventory. Price drops, or price improvements as they call them now, are on a downward trend. And days on market is also shrinking. So like I said, our job is to bring buyers and sellers together. Sellers up here, buyers down here. We like to, we go out and find opportunities for a lot of our clients. And a lot of the houses we watch that have been sitting on the market are now selling. We were ready to write up an offer yesterday on one for a Canadian client, and went under contract after 190 days, I guess. At asking price, too. So market's picking up. Market's picking up. Mortgage rates, you'll see the headlines. Mortgage rates down. Expecting mortgage rates to drop. I'm not buying into that. I'm not buying into that. You know, the Fed raised a quarter basis point the other day, which doesn't matter because the market's got it built in. And unemployment number this morning was good. A lot of people at work. Unfortunately, that's bad news for interest rates. The Fed has no reason to slow down in raising interest rates. So we did see mortgage rates hit 5.9 something, 5.97 or 5.99 on a 30-year fixed yesterday. Pay attention to the fees. Your fees have gone up. Most of the mortgage closing fees have gone up. It's not always about the low interest rate. There's fees and offset, you know, mortgage brokers, banks, they're in it to make money. So it's not just the rate that you see. So what it really comes down to is if you're looking to buy a house and you can afford the monthly payment, do it. Now's a great time to buy. It's busy. There's some deals out there. As more are coming on the market, we're seeing kind of a turnover, and sellers are getting more that have been on the market and need to sell. They're making deals. So if you're looking to sell in Scottsdale or Phoenix, this is the time. There's a million people around. Traffic is insane. What do we have? The Arabian Horse Show this weekend. Actually, Fountain Hills has a really good concours, car show tomorrow morning. Go check it out. It's 1,200 cars they get. It's pretty neat. It's grown into a pretty big event. Next weekend we have the golf tournament, which is always a good time, and the Super Bowl. You know, I'm not a football fan myself, but it's a big deal. There'll be a lot of people in town, so it'll be busy. Scottsdale Airport's they're almost full. They're landing reservations, and if you're planning on going out to eat next weekend in the Phoenix or Scottsdale area, make your reservation now, because it's busy. But anyway, back to real estate. We're rocking. We're looking at some land. It's just busy. We got a lot of irons in the fire, so to say, and a lot of buyers coming off the fence. It's a good time to buy or sell. We always say, when you are ready, that's when the time is. You can't time the market. Interest rates come down, prices go up. Prices come down, interest rates go up. It's kind of, for the majority of homeowners, it comes down to what you can afford on that monthly payment. Yes, there's a lot of cash around and second homes and things, but in general, if you got to do what's best for you, long term. And I always say there's no better way to build generational wealth than real estate. So real estate's a different asset. Stock, you can sell a stock and you don't have to buy a new stock. If you sell your house, you still need a roof over your head. So there's always transactions going on, albeit the number of transactions is a little bit light these days, but there's kind of a buzz in the air. The statistics and the reports you see are often from old data from last month or December, and December was slow. So we say boots on the ground. We're out there. We hear the other agents talking. We get the calls from buyers. We get the calls from sellers, and there's definitely a pickup in activity. There's a buzz. So if you're looking to buy or sell, residential, commercial, land, investment, or you just have questions, please feel free to give us a call. We're here to help. We do more of a private client service, help everybody. But all price ranges. But we're here to help. It's all about relationships, and we appreciate you watching. We appreciate you following. Gonna try and to get into a new build later on today. That's super cool. You'll want to check back for that. But that's it. We're here when you need us. Give us a shout. Be smart. Be safe. And have a great day. Bye.